Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a layout that I'm doing for the ScrapRoom design team. Today we are playing with the sketch that the ScrapRoom puts out every month. They have challenges every month on the not YouTube channel, in the Facebook fan group, which is linked down below. You can also see them on the blog, but this is for the Jumpstart sketch. You saw it there in the beginning. We are playing with Simple Stories for the Record, a nice like everyday documenting kind of collection. So the lovely kit had just single photo, two like vertical layers, and then some horizontal strips behind those vertical layers. So I was really taken by this striped paper. So I figured I would use that, cut apart the stripes, and use those for the behind pieces for my layout, which I love. So there's tons of color. And then I really liked the number paper. I don't know which one's which. I think It's All Good and maybe Keep Looking Up. I don't remember which one was which. So, but I'm really want to bring in some of this blue because I am liking the pale blue in the background of the number pattern, and then this really dark blue, and then those two colors are also in the kind of dotted square stripe paper, the little multicolor stripe grid paper. I don't know what you want to call it. So I want to kind of feature those. So we're going to do a little mixed media. So I'm going to build up my kind of photo base, the whole part of where the photo is going to go. So all these layers, kind of adding them together, and then getting my photo down, matting that on that number paper as well. So it has a little bit of a blue border around it, and then I will get my like strips put behind it, and then that will be all one unit so that I can do my mixed media and make sure everything kind of sits where I want it to sit. And I figured I'd just do a couple things. I'm going to stencil a little, do some splatters, and maybe throw in some stamping is what I'm thinking. But I just have a photo of my son trying to get some older photos scrapped. Have one from 2016, I think, sitting with the cat on the chair. Obviously, the cat was there first. She's curled up, spread out on our recliner, and my son has climbed up on the armrest to sit by her. Now he thinks she's his best friend, and she's very fond of him. She has been since he was a baby. But he follows her everywhere. So wherever she is, he will be. And that's kind of what I end up journaling about, and just kind of the general consensus of or subject of this page is going to be. I'm sorry this is going up later today than I normally post for the ScrapRoom. I have been very sick and I had no voice. And so I wanted to wait as long as possible to get the layout voiced over so that you could actually understand me, because we got hit with who knows which virus is going around. There's tons. I work in my son's school too, and we just had a big basketball tournament, so we were surrounded by a lot of people. We all got hit with it. I ended up with pneumonia, so that's really fun. But we're doing good. We're all doing good, surviving, just getting through it. Everybody's healthy and recovering, so that's what's important. And we stayed away from people when we were sick, which I highly recommend people do. So here I grabbed a stencil I got from MK and her advent calendar from Some Assemblage Required, and I put the everyone loved speckled egg through that, and it's just kind of like a grid plaid type. And then my super still extra juicy, I think I put too much re-inker in my Chip Sapphire. So I have a lot of ink there. Don't worry, I don't waste it. I don't show you on camera, but I do sop it up and kind of create a background page that I'll use for something else. At least started it, and maybe I'll have a play with it later. But I do sop it up and use it. So I did some splatters with the darker blue, so now I've got that, and now I'm thinking I need a touch of another color, and I'm really liking the orange, and I got some orange flowers in my ephemera. Now remember, my embellishments won't be exactly the same as what you get, so I'm just using this stamp, not on a pad, and I think I just did spiced marmalade, or I did pumpkin. I don't remember what distress socks I did, but I added some orange in the background as well, and then my photo thing will just sit all right there. I'm trying to use up random things that are on my desk, so every time I make a layout, I want to use at least something. So I had this black twine actually sitting on my desk, so I figured I would wrap that around because I'm really liking the foam stickers I got. I got a 24/7 and I got the Together, and I thought it was perfect that the 24/7 nestles right in there, and the Together's black, so I figured I could add some black in there by adding that twine, and it doesn't cover up anything on my photo or anything like that. So just another texture to add to the layout, just to add some interest and use some stash stuff up. So yes, my ephemera pieces that I get are not going to be the same as yours, but you will get some sort of mixture from the journal, floral and sentiment bits, and then some of the foam stickers as well. So you could get some of the same as me, you could not, you could get completely different ones. But that's the great thing about the kit though, it all coordinates and you have enough to make a few pages from the kit from the scrap room. So I'm kind of wrapping up here. I figured a piece to kind of journal on. I'm putting that down at the bottom there, using a few of the floral bits that I have, and then that tag that said the best. And I like that it looked like it was stitched. So I don't think I show this on camera, but as soon as I'm done doing the layout off camera, I actually just go around with a pen and draw some fake stitching all the way around the layout. You might be able to see that in the close-ups. I think you'll be able to see it. But just adding a couple of the floral bits here and there on the layout. I probably could have added more after that, but again, I was scrapbooking these while I was sick, so trying my best just to get something interesting done, but also just getting a page done. And it's good enough. It's good. It looks cute. I've documented something. That's all that matters. So here will be some close-ups here shortly. Thank you again so much for checking me out. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're watching this on the ScrapRoom channel, head to my channel and like and subscribe. But like and subscribe to the ScrapRoom. All the links down below. Appreciate y'all. Bye.